short runway 31. Traffic is on upwind. Line up and wait American 1064. Hold short runway 31 JetBlue 1032. You were not cleared to take off. JetBlue 1032, line up and wait. Line up and wait JetBlue 1032. X-ray Golf Sierra, leaving my airspace frequency change approved. JetBlue 1032, altimeter 29.9, 2 wind calm. Cleared for takeoff runway 31. Cleared for takeoff runway 31, JetBlue 1032. X-ray Golf Sierra, acknowledge last transmission. JetBlue 1032, contact New York departure on 120.4. Good day. For JetBlue 1032. Goodbye.
Tower Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra frequency change. New York approach Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra is type 2 miles southwest of Kilo Juliet Romeo Bravo 800 feet. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra New York approach. Squawk 0057.
Squawk 0057 X-ray Golf Sierra.
X-ray Golf Sierra radar contact 2 miles west of Kilo Juliet Romeo Bravo 400 feet. Cleared through the Bravo airspace.
Cleared through the Bravo airspace X-ray Golf Sierra.
New York approach FlexJet 4-tree 29,300 feet. FlexJet 4-tree 2 New York approach altimeter 29.9, 2 radar contact. Continue to Swan. traffic is 2 o'clock 3 miles at 500 feet generic. Report them in sight. New York approach generic November 10 Quebec Juliet is missed approach at Teterboro. Generic 0 Quebec Juliet, you are 1 mile south. Climb and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 19er approach via Strat transition. Cleared to Strat. Exigent 420 have the traffic. Climb and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 19er approach via Strat transition. Cleared to Strat. Generic 0 Quebec Juliet. Generic 0 Quebec Juliet traffic is 3 o'clock 4 miles at 2,300 feet generic. Report them in sight. Generic 0 Quebec Juliet have the traffic. November 68 Alpha Lima, New York, approach altimeter